Gynura Procumbens is commonly grown in Southeast Asia, but is also grown in many other parts of the world, and is well known for its medicinal properties. Gynura grows on average 1 to 2 meters tall and is so easy to grow you just cut a piece off, stick it in the ground or a pot and it will root and grow. Gynura Procumbens has been scientifically studied and is well known for its use in treating diabetes, high blood pressure, supporting the immune system, and is known for its anti-cancer and antimicrobial properties. Gynura has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds and is great to use when combating inflammation internally and also when it is applied to the skin, and it aids in wound healing and skin rejuvenation. How to use Gynura Procumbens. Pick some fresh leaves if you have the plant, and then wash them thoroughly to make sure there's no bugs or eggs laid on the leaves or any animal droppings. And once you've washed them thoroughly and rinsed them, you can chuck them in your salad raw. You can add them to your smoothies or juice them with your fresh fruit juice. You can even saute them. Set the heat to medium high and use an oil like avocado oil or coconut oil that can handle higher temperatures, and saute them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's best to use the young leaves because the bigger and older mature leaves can be a little bit tough to chew. Save the more mature leaves for juicing or adding to your smoothies. I like to add my sauteed Gynura leaves to the sandwich. Here I'm using a plant-based meat alternative. Add a few leaves. You can also add some tomato, onion, cucumber, anything else you like, but I like it just with barbecue sauce. I'm no master chef, but this tastes nice. Dry the leaves either in the sun for about 1 to 3 days or in the oven on low heat around 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. You can use them as a tea on their own or blend them with other herbal teas to complement the healing power of Gynura for specific conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, or boosting your immune system's defenses. Here I have blended Gynura with horsetail with some green tea and elderberry. This is a great combination for helping regulate your blood sugar levels and boosting your immune system. Gynura and horsetail also are 2 great herbs for speeding up wound healing and improving the appearance of your skin, making them a great addition to your anti-aging regime. Now you should also add hibiscus to this tea because hibiscus has a high concentration of vitamin C, and vitamin C is an important cofactor in collagen formation. Horsetail also contains a hyaluronidase inhibitor. Therefore, hyaluronidase inhibitors prevent the breakdown of collagen, keeping you looking younger for longer. Gynura and horsetail together are great for lowering blood glucose levels, so it is important to check and monitor your glucose levels regularly as they can go too low, especially if you're a diabetic on insulin. Horsetail has to be used with caution if you are an alcoholic or heavy drinker, as horsetail contains thiaminase, which is an enzyme that breaks down thiamine, also known as vitamin B1. Also, horsetail should be used with caution if you have kidney impairment or those with low potassium levels, as it may flush out more potassium from your body. Horsetail is one of the richest sources of silica, so that is why horsetail is known for speeding up the healing of broken bones. And horsetail contains a hyaluronidase inhibitor, therefore preventing the breakdown of collagen, keeping you looking younger for longer.